Steel Reef Infrastructure Corp is a private company established in December 2012 by a small team of 3 professionals along with 4 founding board members and 2 special advisors. Early in 2013, the company raised its first major round of equity capital, led by PFM Capital of Regina. In 2016, Instar AGF made a major investment in the company to further fund its Saskatchewan growth. The focus was on establishing a midstream portfolio and business model based on investing in pipeline systems and processing facilities with values of less than $50 million. Coincidentally, while Steel Reef was getting started, the Saskatchewan and North Dakota governments put into effect associated gas capture and preservation regulations, meaning they set a goal to stop gas flaring in the oil fields. This provided the landscape for Steel Reef to begin its focus on the gathering and processing of associated gas and liquids products in the Williston Basin. Today, Steel Reef has over 100 employees and 9 facilities in Saskatchewan and North Dakota. Steel Reef core values are based on discipline. They manage operational and financial risk with patience and caution and take deliberate action to protect their people and capital through safe and reliable operations. Respect. They foster a culture of respect and build strong working relationships as foundational aspects of their growth. And excellence. They are strategic in their pursuit of excellence and focus their resources behind core business functions to deliver best-in-class results for their customers. Along with those core values, their top priority is the health and safety of their employees and local communities. They take the lead in developing, implementing, monitoring, and continuously improving a comprehensive health and safety plan to strive for an accident-free workplace and to achieve high health and safety performance. Their business is predicated upon healthy, sustainable relationships with valued customers. Without these relationships, Steel Reef would not exist. Their success is highly correlated with the success of producers in Saskatchewan and North Dakota. As such, they endeavor to put their expertise and their balance sheet to work to support these producing companies. This allows their customers to focus their drilling and production expertise, as well as allocate capital to the drill bit, where they attain the best returns and provide the highest value to their shareholders. They are committed to making every commercially reasonable effort to ensure they provide excellent customer service and put their current and future customers in the best position possible to succeed. They strive to accomplish this by transparently providing safe, reliable, and cost-effective midstream infrastructure construction and operation services, managing complicated joint venture and regulatory relationships, and optimizing hydrocarbon values by providing the highest value market egress solutions.